Hi friends, this video shows how to exclude or skip numbers from autocall recording. Let me open the Samsung phone app. Tap on this icon. Tap on these three dots on top right corner. Go to settings. Tap here. Tap on record calls. So let me enable autocall recording. Tap here. Done. So now I have enabled autocall recording. Then tap on auto record calls. Here you can see four options. Here select last option, all calls except specific numbers. Select this option. Then those numbers that we need to skip, that numbers we can specify here. Tap here, numbers not to record. Here we can enter the number that we need to exclude, or you can set numbers from the contacts that we need to exclude or skip. So this way we can enable autocall recording and exclude some numbers. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.